the women are well educated and if they know good care of their reproductive organs and reproductive health, then automatically the population will be in control. Contraception. Contraception is the methods used by the couple to control the population. So contraception aims to control birth by using contraceptives. Prevention of conception or fertilization of ovum during sexual intercourse is called a contraception. So an ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, effective and reversible with no or least side effects. So different types of contraceptive methods are, they are barrier method, intrauterine devices, IUCDs they are called, then oral contraception or they are also called as pills, then fourth one is surgical method. And actually whatever the technique it may be, the main principle of the technique is which prevents the fusing of female and male gametes, that's all. So male and female gametes will not be fused. Once they fuse only, the embryo and zygote and embryo will form. So these contraceptive techniques will be used to prevent the fertilization. So how they will be used, what are the techniques, now we will discuss. The first one is barrier method or physical contraceptive method. This method prevents the contact of sperm and ovum by creating a barrier. So available for both male and female. So for male it is called condom and for female it is called as cervical caps or diaphragms. So condoms. So condoms are barriers made of thin rubber or a latex sheath, self-inserted and disposable. Covers penis in male and vagina and cervix in the female. It is used so that the semen do not enter the female reproductive tract. It also prevents AIDS and STD. STD means sexually transmitted diseases. Diaphragms or the cervical caps are used by the female as a barrier method. It is inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix. Block the entry of sperm through cervix. Reusable. And what is the special technique of this is spermicidal cream. Spermicidal means the cream which kills the sperm. Jellies, foams along with these acts as barriers. The second one is IUCDs, intrauterine contraceptive devices. These are devices which are used by the female only. Inserted by a doctor or a nurse in the uterus through vagina. This is the basic principle of this is it releases copper. This is commonly called as copper T because it releases copper ions. These copper ions suppresses the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperm. So it will be inserted in the female uterus by a doctor or nurse. And generally this intra-IUCDs are used when the couple wants a gap between the two children. So between the two deliveries, if the lady wants to maintain her health, they will use this IUCDs. We know that every month egg will be released by one of the ovaries. So what is this oral contraception? Oral contraception prevents the ovulation or release of ovule. So this prevents the release of ovule so that the fertilization does not occur. But it leads to lot of imbalance in the hormones. So that's why unless until the doctor prescribes, the couple is not allowed to use it. It is used by generally female. Next one is surgical method. Surgical method is called as sterilization methods advised to male and female partner to prevent any future pregnancy. So what happens here? The blocks the gamete transport automatically prevents the fertilization. And sterilization in male is called vasectomy because the vas deferens will be cut. And in female it is called tubectomy because the fallopian tube is cut. So vasectomy, a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through incision made by an made on the scrotum. So let us see the pictures. Here you can see the first picture, vasectomy, and in the second picture, tubectomy. So vasectomy, the vast difference is cut or either tied or cut. So if it is tied, again recanalization, again operation can be done so that again the couple can give birth to children. But once it is directly cut and it cannot be done, recanalization cannot be done. Then here for the female, tubectomy, the fallopian tube. Why fallopian tube? Because it is the site of fertilization. So the fallopian tube is tied so that the fertilization does not take place. Okay, this is tubectomy and vasectomy. These are the permanent contraceptive methods. Permanent methods. STDs are sexually transmitted diseases. So what are they? Diseases or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are called sexually transmitted diseases. So these are two types, viral diseases and bacterial diseases. Viral diseases, example AIDS and warts, WARTS, warts. Then bacterial diseases are gonorrhea and syphilis. So this is very important question. So many times they are asking this question. What are the STDs caused by virus? What are the STDs caused by the bacteria? Right, children? Mode of transmission of HIV AIDS. So HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So what are the modes? Sexual contact with infected person, then sharing of injection needles, sharing the unsterilized surgical instruments, then transfusion of blood from infected person to a healthy person, then infected mother to the fetus. So these are the modes of transmission of this disease. This is already we studied in 9th class. So STDs will protect, like these are all called STDs, and contraceptive methods like barrier method is the best method to prevent the STDs, and permanent method is surgical method which cannot prevent the STDs.